join me as I set up my journal for the month. To get started, I am just adding a little watercolor to each page, and I'm doing this randomly, and as I go I'm alternating. Some of the pages I dry off by just dabbing it with paper napkin, and the other pages I pull up my blow dryer or heat tool and finish and dry those pages. So I just wanted to give it just a random look, and I am going to forward this part just so you don't have to sit through me watercoloring each page, and after that I'll come back and add some stickers to it. finished setting everything up, adding all of my stickers. The plan was only to add, do a few pages, add a few stickers here and there. But I kind of got carried away, and I don't know, I did most of the pages. If anyone else loves stickers as much as I do, like, you get how easily it is to get carried away, especially when you just, you know, can put the stickers anywhere. I don't know, I was just having so much fun. But this is how it looks before any journaling. Oh, let me show you the first page. When I was doing the watercolor, I felt like I was getting carried away with this page, but I don't know, I really like the way it turned out. And I wanted to save this page and do it last because, I don't know, I really like that splatter. This is another page. I don't know, I felt like I was getting carried away with the watercolor because I was trying to do, you know, just I don't know, just a very faint wash, but I got to having fun with the watercolors. But I really like the way that came out. I think that was the last page. I saved a few at the end. So I have added all of the stickers, well, not all of the stickers. I've added a few stickers, enough to get started. And it's basically just enough so you don't start with just this plain white blank page. It's easier to get started. And my plan was not to finish all of the pages, but I kind of got carried away with the stickers. I don't know, I just started having fun. It is just so fun, just, you know, to be able to put stickers anywhere, just, you know, put them randomly. So I kind of got carried away and did most of the pages. I'm just going to finish my quick flip through. Oh yeah, and this is one of the pages. When I was doing the watercolor, I really felt like I was getting carried away. I didn't think this would work, but I don't know, I really like the way it turned out once I added stickers, and I can't wait to add some journaling to that page. Oh, and like the watercolor, it kind of gives you like a starting color scheme, so you're not just, you know, starting from scratch, I guess. This is another one of my favorites. And I know some of the pages look kind of busy, but I enjoy like writing like all around. And I'm not one of those people who I'm like, oh, I don't have enough room to write. Like, if I really have something to write, I will write sideways. Like, I will find a way to write it. And it's actually more fun to write in different directions. Oh, and this was a page. I had a hard time with that gold. I don't know, it's pretty. I don't know, I guess it's a pretty watercolor, but I didn't have a lot. I don't have a lot of yellow stickers, I guess. And I wanted to save just a few pages, like, you know, just to start from scratch with no stickers. And that is it. Well, I do have a few pages at the back. Well, yeah, one more page. But I like to leave just a few pages blank, just in case I have to write, you know, just in case I have to write extra. I want to do some extra journaling pages, you know, without any stickers, or if I just want to add some extra pictures in the back. That is it. So At the end of the month, I will come back with a flip through and show you how this turned out with all of the journaling. You know, once I journaled stuff in, take pictures in, you know, just how it looks at the end. Oh, and let me show you. It does get like that. I don't know if you can see it. Like the paper does get kind of wrinkly. Like it's, I don't know what's the word, kind of crinkly from the watercolor. So I don't know. Next month I may try and find some other type of paint that doesn't crinkle the pages up, because it does kind of bother me with all the crinkly paper. So maybe I'll try, I don't know, some crayons or pencil, I don't know, something, maybe some pastels, so I can get that color without wrinkling up the pages. So that is it, and stay tuned for my flip through, and I may do like a process video here and there throughout the month.